Why I love Wicca. I love Wicca because it is the reason I live my life to the fullest. There is no better way to live. It is a much better path than any other religion or spiritual path people choose today. If you follow this ancient and wonderful way of life, here are some benefits. The first benefit that Wicca has to offer is its emphasis on freedom. Freedom spells a lot of things. Freedom spells the ability to think for yourself, be your own person, and think about important and small matters at your own pace. It also spells happiness in a world where many people are mired in fear, stress, and anxiety. When free, you can focus on what matters most to you. Secondly, it is important to note that Wicca is very earth-friendly. There is no other major religion that is as green as this one. This means that very little waste material is produced during practices and that no harsh chemicals are used. In fact, very few animal products are used, as well as very little refined sugar or processed food. Thirdly, Wicca is a very close-knit group. It is an organized religion requiring its members to follow specific rituals and guidelines. Even people who are not members can be found in Wiccan groups all over the country and world. Wiccans often consider themselves the people with a common bond. It is not uncommon for a fellow Wiccan to be your best friend or to have taken you in as a family if you were born a Wiccan. Fourth, this highly organized religion is highly effective. The initiation process is very important, and anyone can become a shaman or start learning the ways of the gods. Anyone can meditate and learn how to cast spells to help themselves and others. Anyone can become a priest or go into the craft. When you begin to study Wicca, you can see the proven effectiveness of the ritualistic, structured way of life. Fifth, this highly organized religion allows people to reach their full potential. There is a hierarchy in the craft, but it is not rigid. If you are a Wiccan who wants to be a witch, shaman, priestess, king, queen, archmage, witch, or priest, then you can do it. If you want to study the craft, you can also do that. 6. It is very accepting of all forms of religion. People of various religions can join in the craft, and you can even study Wicca alongside someone of the other faiths. Wiccans and pagans make great friends because they can practice their religion in their chosen ways. It is very accepting of people of all cultures and belief systems. 7th, it allows people to find happiness. This might sound cliché, but the reasons are simple. You will meet people who love to share jokes, stories, and philosophical ideas. They will tell you that being a Wiccan is like spending more time with friends. Wiccans have many things in common, and their rituals and beliefs make for a good social experience. Lastly, Wicca is a great way to learn about yourself. You can read ancient books written about the religion, ask questions you do not understand, and then dedicate yourself to your studies. This kind of self-education is priceless. There are many rituals to perform, and each has its purpose. The beliefs of each religion are very different, but a practicing Wiccan can use them to find out what they need to know about their religion. So these are the reasons why I love Wicca. The religion does so much for those who practice it. Wiccans and pagans are accepted in many places, and a community of like-minded people exists. They can all share wonderful stories about the religion, making it easier for newcomers. When you live in a society where people who practice the same religion are growing, it is nice to come in and find a community that accepts you for who you are. So there are my reasons for loving Wicca. It is a religion that has helped me deal with my personal feelings and helped me learn about myself. This has been a big part of my growth, and I am very grateful for the teachings I have learned. Wicca may not seem important to you initially, but it is important to the ones you share it with. Every person on earth wants to be accepted and loved for who they are, And if you are someone who practices Wicca, you are likely doing that right now.